Most people tend to look to other outside authorities for their guidance. The buck has to stop right here, guys. You have to get in sync with your woke, wild self, and then you become the ultimate authority. There are times when we will consult others, but there's a big difference between consulting with someone who you think may have valuable insights to share with you. That's a factor of being open-minded, which we all want to be, and receptive. There's a big difference between that and taking somebody's word for something because they are an authority, usually because you're conditioned to believe in what they are saying because that's how things are done. We have to take the concept out of our vocabulary if we're going to be successful at this, that's just the way things are done. If that is in your psyche, it's going to undermine every attempt you make to be a great woke wild wolf parent.